If your external monitor isn't working through an HP docking station, the problem is usually related to connection settings, outdated drivers, or power issues. Many laptops such as the HP EliteBook, HP ProBook, or HP Spectre X360 rely on USB-C or Thunderbolt docks to connect multiple displays and accessories. When the laptop, dock, and monitor fail to communicate correctly, the display may not be detected. Fortunately, most of these issues can be solved by checking cables, updating drivers, and adjusting display settings. Step 1. Make sure the docking station is powered on and all cables are securely connected. Step 2. Open Windows Display Settings and click Detect to find the external monitor. Step 3. Update graphics drivers using HP Support Assistant. Step 4. Try a different USB-C or Thunderbolt cable or port on your laptop. Step 5. Restart the laptop and check BIOS settings to ensure external display support is enabled.